Today I'll teach you how to use input type equal to file to accept all files in HTML. So let's start. First I'm adding an HTML input element and then I'm setting the type attribute as file. Now I'm adding the attribute accept. The accept attribute accepts one or more than one file extension. In this case, it will accept all files. So with this we complete our programming part, and now it's time to run our project and see it in action. As you can see, the choose file dialog box is allowing all files accepted for upload. With this we come to the end of this video. Today we learned how to use input type equal to file to accept all files in HTML. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.